Whenever we think about the world ending, we imagine something external, violent, inevitable, irreversible, something destined to wipe us out. But what if the ending was quieter, deliberate, designed, almost invisible, mapped with precision, preventable in theory yet unfolding beyond our awareness? And by the time we finally understood it, it was already too late. This is the world of Oryx and Crake. Margaret Atwood constructs a speculative dystopia in which the apocalypse emerges from the human pursuit of perfection. This reflects a broader thematic concern within dystopian literature: the tension between progress and ethical limitation. At the end of this narrative is Crake, who functions as both a character and a symbolic construct. He represents the rational extreme of human consciousness, what happens when logic is detached from empathy. He is not simply a genius or a villain, but a reflection, an embodiment of a deeply human instinct, the need to improve, to optimize, to perfect. The same instinct that drives innovation, progress, and discovery also carries a quieter assumption that what exists is not enough. From a structural perspective, Crake can be understood as a figure whose actions invert the traditional tragic arc. Rather than experiencing catharsis through recognition and moral reckoning, Crake demonstrates an absence of internal conflict. His trajectory lacks the emotional purgation typically associated with tragic protagonists, which makes his character particularly unsettling. His resolution is not transformation, but the execution of a predetermined ideology. Crake does not seek to guide humanity, he seeks to replace it. He creates the Crakers, beings designed to exist without jealousy, without hierarchy, without the destructive impulses that define human history. They are peaceful, balanced, and free from the burdens that once shaped civilization. Yet, they are also simplified, stripped of contradiction, stripped of longing, stripped of the very tensions that gave rise to art, to love, to meaning. In removing humanity's flaws, Crake also removes its depth, and so perfection becomes absence. Thus, Atwood introduces a central paradox. The elimination of suffering also entails the elimination of meaning derived from struggle. This reflects an underlying critique of utopian thinking, suggesting that the pursuit of absolute perfection may result in a form of existential emptiness. Snowman, as the focalizer of the narrative, provides a counterpoint to Crake. Through his fragmented memories and subjective perspective, the reader is exposed to the remnants of the human experience. Irrational, contradictory, yet deeply expressive. His role reinforces the novel's use of retrospective narration, allowing the past and the present to coexist in tension. Ultimately, Oryx and Crake operates as a speculative critique of human ambition. It interrogates the ethical boundaries of scientific advancement and questions the assumption that progress is inherently beneficial. The novel does not present a conventional resolution, but instead leaves the reader with an unresolved philosophical inquiry. If the human condition is defined by imperfection, then to what extent can it be altered before it ceases to be human altogether?